everybody. The folks at KingCamp sent me this aluminum steel table. They sent this to us to try out and show you. The Granite C10 Plus by KingCamp. We'll open it up and show you how to get it set up. We opened it up at home and it's really rugged.
Trying hard to take some time away and have a peaceful day or two. Someday when our ship comes in, I know just what we'll do. We'll load up the motor home and have a holiday for two. We'll pack our bags and bring the dogs and have a holiday for two.
All right, I'm gonna see if I can set this up right over there for you so you can see. This will be my second time, but first time setting it up outside. So let's see how I do. It's got a nice big case. It's about 15 pounds. It's got a little Velcro strip here that holds it together, which is nice. Set that over there. I'm thinking this will be a little easier than the bottom part. Let me just set this down. That's very light, so that's nice. So what I would do is I recommend taking this out and setting it up one time before you go camping, just so you kind of get the hang of it. It's really not too hard to set up. There's some little red levers here that you have to push in sometimes to make everything go just like you want it to go. There we go. Then there's these little buttons you have to push to get these black supports to go up. Right there's a little silver button. So you have to push in and then it'll go all the way up like that. Kind of like setting up one of those easy ups. There. Let me put it up on the top here. You can also raise it up so that it gives you you can bring it up about 3 feet or down as low as 2 feet. So it adjusts in height. There's also some little holes here to attach the top. So let's see if I can get this done. All right. There's some little pull pins right here that you have to pull out. And then it locks into the top. Pull it out, push it down and lock it in. There. Same thing with the other side. That's nice. I like that. That way the wind won't blow it up. And very sturdy too. It says it's rated to 250 pounds. Should I try it out? No, that's okay. I'm not going to do that. But make sure all your tabletops are in the groove there. That's pretty nice. So it looks pretty sturdy. Very sturdy. Better than some of those other tables we got, huh?
Way better.
And it'll come up higher. And it locks in here. This is called the Granite 10 Aluminum Steel Frame Tabletop by KingCamp. I'll put links down below in the description so you can find this on, they have it on Amazon. You can also go directly to the KingCamp website. So I'll put both of those down below so you can find those. KingCamp will give a discount and I'll pass it on to you. I'll put it on the description down below. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day. Have fun camping. Safe travels. Catch you next time. Bye.